Welcome back to another video here on the Bannock Industries YouTube channel. Now today we are unboxing our $420 plasma cutter. Let's have a look at it. Haha! It's Benny Bear! Everybody say hi to Benny! Alright, so here we go. This is the new plasma cutter. This thing is a reboot. It's supposed to be a 50 amp plasma cutter. So first off, if you look at the back here, you have your port for airline, power switch, and then it's got a 220 plug on it, typical welder plug. This is kind of the first time I've looked at it, but it's got a nice dial on the front. It feels good. It feels like quality, which is always nice. Then you have a little rubber cover. So there'd be air, controls, and whatever else. But we'll get into that in a little bit. So all in all, size isn't very big. It might be, 15 inches by 12. And then it's only about 6 inches wide. So pretty good size. Comes with this big box here, so we'll get into this. This should be all our consumables. So comes with some nice braided plastic hose, obviously for air. Owner's manual. It's got a nice adapter plug because this is dual voltage, so it either does 220 or 110 volt. So it's got a nice adapter plug that plug that in. Now you can plug it into your normal house. Real nice. And we'll just leave that because we'll actually turn it on here in a little bit. But nice ground cable. Decent end. Got good spring quality. A nice ground strap there. You don't see that much anymore on ground clamps. You have a warranty card. Hopefully we won't be needing to do that, but it's there anyways. They give you air fitting. They give you electrode, one of the mixing cups, some nice thread tape, another box here. Okay, so this will be your air regulator. This actually looks fairly decent. So it's got a water microfilter inside, like a water collection. Nice aluminum, pot metal or aluminum kind of case to it. So not just all plastic, but just real good. Good to see cheap quality, or decent quality for cheap products like this. Little bracket so you can mount it, and then they even send you a pressure gauge, so that's pretty good. That might be KGF. Oh yeah, so cubic centimeters. So air pressure flow almost, not a pressure gauge. Figure that out a little bit. So another box. Now we get into the meat and potatoes. Clear that off the table. Gotta love when things smell like China. Never been there, but I know what their manufacturers smell like. You have more consumables for the tips, electrodes, whatnot. Comes with one ceramic cup, and then your tip, and it obviously has an electrode as well. Nice trigger with a little cover as well, so you don't just accidentally bump it. PT31 would be what this is. Decent quality, good trigger feel. And obviously when you're going to work with it, that'll be nice and easy to control. Just some nice plastic coating here hoses. But you have air, and then you have your hookup there as well for what you need. So you have, yeah, here and there. So I don't know exact. Oh yeah, so that'll be your ground. Ground will go here. We'll just hook everything up. Kind of push, and then a 90-degree turn. You have that pushes in, just a nice little nut. And then of course it's more or less like a propane fitting almost, is what they're using for your air hookup. So decent quality. And just real good for, you know, we paid just over 400 bucks for this one. So this will be helping a lot on our Ranger build. Really excited to have one. I'm going to just plug it in here and see what happens. Turn it on. There we go. So just nice turned off. Very touchy. So you can go to 10 amps to 50 amps. Or I guess it's showing 51 now, but it's got a nice little fan on it. Really easy. Now we'll have to go ahead, we'll hook up everything and then get air power to it. But come back next video, we'll actually be doing winch plates and some more gussets. I'll just shut that off. Yeah, so come back next video, we'll actually be using this and get it hooked up in the shop. But just wanted to do this short video to show you guys what we got going. And yeah, we'll see you next time.